Yan. Ako, si Joanne, maghahanap yan ng, ng account na yan. Tayo dyan. Okay, this is my last song. Kita-kits na lang po tayo ulit. At siguro nakalive ako kaninang umaga, nakalive ako ngayong gabi. Tapos maglalakwat si host. May pasok pa naman ako bukas. Patayan na to. Tuloy-tuloy na ng laban na to Sabado kasi. Ayan, Korean, ako din Chinese. Ikaw ang Korean at saka Chinese. Kami ang Japanese. Pwede. Oo. At saka yung Indonesian, meron din tayong Indonesian. Nandito kaya kanina si Rehan, Joanne. Nakita mo, di ba? O sige. Kantahin ko na lang ito medyo bago-bago ito kay Diana Rose ito. Kasi ito lang nakita ko, ha? Kantahin ko to. Okay, this is my last song. At last song din yun ni Kuya Di kanina, ha? Okay. Ayan. Thank you very much sa mga support nyo dyan sa baba. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, 80s na to ha. Hindi na to 50s, 60s ha. Pauna to sa sa second batch namin sa second part 2 pala, part 2. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for when you look behind? There's no open doors. What are you hoping for? Do you know? Once we were standing still in time, chasing the fantasies that fill our mind. We knew how I love you, but my spirit was free. Laughing at the questions that you once asked of me. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Naging paborito mo din dati yan, Joanne. At ang kinanta ko to kasi nakita ko si Marimar eh. Marimar, para sa'yo. Para sa iyong magnitude 7. Now looking back at all we planned, we let so many dreams just slip through our hands. Why must we wait so long before we see how sad the answers to those questions can be? Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for when you look behind you? There's no open doors. What are you hoping for? Do you know? Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Pwede, thank you ha. Thank you very much. Ano pa ba yan? Ayan, May Karamay, Lumanda, Mar and May, Bongski Bong, Joanne, Jenny Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At saka naka-BG-BG dyan. Maraming salamat. Babush sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you ha. Kaya di, nakamove on ka na kay nanay mo. Nakamove on ka na. Nakamove on ka na kay nanay mo. Okay ka na? Di ba ilang taon na rin?
Pero may time din na.
Naalala mo pa rin. Sa bagay ako din ganun eh. Kahit na siguro five years ata nawala si nanay. Sa'yo ilang taon na yun?
2021.
Si nanay. Mas nauna pala si nanay mo kaysa sa nanay ko. 22 si nanay. Yan. Kasi yan, kaya carry lang yan. Ganyan talagang buhay. Ayan, ingat sa racket. Oo, mga hanap mo, buhay mo na ako. Sayang yun, may nagaya sa akin. May ano din yun, may back din doon. Sabi, lapad yun, hindi yun peso, ha? Hindi, bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you.
Next time.
Message ka, tapos message ka pag nag-live ka, ha?
Sige, sige.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat. Babush. Okay, sige. Ayan, thank you very much. Magpatalastas lang po ako. Yan, maraming salamat po. Bye po, co-host DY. Thank you, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And see you around. Joanne, maraming salamat. Mamaya ko na pala yung nanalo. Para ito kanina si Gibbs si Joanne. Mamaya ka na, Joanne, ha? Mamaya, okay. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bye.